Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Debezium for MySQL CDC to Amazon Kinesis step by step clearly. To configure Debezium for MySQL change data capture to Amazon Kinesis, begin by setting up your MySQL database. Ensure MySQL is running and you have access to it. Next, configure MySQL to enable the bin log, which is essential for Debezium. Open the MySQL configuration file, typically found in the etc. directory. Add or update the following lines. Set the server ID to a unique value. Enable the binary log by setting log_bin to MySQL bin. Define the format as row level by setting binlog_format to row. Restart the MySQL service to apply these changes. Now, you will set up Debezium. Download the Debezium MySQL connector from the official Debezium website. Unzip the downloaded file and navigate to the connector directory. Locate the configuration file for the MySQL connector. Edit this file to include your MySQL database connection details. Specify the name for the connector, usually a descriptive title. Set the connector.class to io.debezium.connector.mysql.mysql connector. Provide the tasks.max field with the maximum number of tasks your setup allows. Enter your MySQL connection parameters using database.hostname, database.port, and database.user. Add the database.password for authentication. Specify the database.server.id, ensuring it's unique across all servers using Debezium. Configure the database.server.name, which acts as an identifier for your database. To enable the data capture, include table.whitelist to specify which tables should be monitored. Now, set up the Kinesis configuration within the same file. Specify the kinesis.stream.name for your Kinesis stream. Include your AWS region using kinesis.region. Define your aws.access.key.id and aws.secret.access.key for Kinesis integration. Save the configuration file and exit. Next, launch Debezium. Run the Debezium connector using a compatible Kafka Connect runtime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.